Hi, I'm Matt Krueger with Krueger Brothers Construction. I'm here to walk you through the steps of your window installation process. We have the expertise and the know-how on how to install your windows in the correct process. We're the largest installer of Pella in Colorado Springs, which makes us a Pella Platinum certified installer, which makes us great at installing wood, fiberglass, vinyl, windows, and sliding doors, whichever you prefer and best fits your needs. We chose to be a partner with Pella Windows because of their quality craftsmanship, their integrity, their long-standing, and the way they treat their customers and their employees. We felt like their values and our values were very similar, which made us great partners. With our window installs, we always recommend a fin installation, which is the original way the windows were installed when the house was first built. So that means we cut out the siding, we pull out the old window, we put in a new window with the fins, then we install the seal tape around the fin, which is like a flange, so it goes against your studs, your header, and your sill. And then we install the seam tape, and then we go back on with whether it's your siding, your trim boards, or your stucco. So for us, it's a weather-tight system. Probably 90% of our competition will just do a retrofit window, which means they'll cut out the window, leave the old fins attached, and they'll just stick a new window in with no fins and put a caulk line around it, which means that your water protection and wind protection, air protection for your home relies solely on caulking, which for us is not something we promote. We promote doing it the right way. And I think the benefit of going with Krueger Brothers is that we know how to do all those extra trades, whether it's replacing trim, siding, or stucco. In regards to skylights, we have two common styles that people like to go with. One is a bubble skylight, a dome skylight, which is a double layer of plexiglass, which they come tinted or cloudy or clear. The other is a flat panel, which typically we use Velux because they're the highest quality skylights, in our opinion, out on the market today. And those have tinted, they also have blinds, they have remote controls, they also have solar panels. We don't use subcontractors because we want to rely on our own employees to do the work in your home. For a lot of our competition, they use subcontractors as an as-needed basis because they don't deal with the same kind of volume of window installs that we do, which for us, I want to have the reliability and the desire to have that high quality work. We know who they are, and where they work full time, and that's for us. With our installs, with our employees, once we're done with the project, we have our foreman walk through with a checklist for you to make sure that everything is complete and up to your standards. For us, the value of finishing well and finishing strong is one of our core values. It's going above and beyond what you, the homeowner, wished for, and for us, it's the satisfaction of getting the job done well.